Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin. Close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Another deep breath in. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Just allow yourself to expand your awareness and open yourself up to Archangel Michael. Michael is so willing to contribute to all of us today. It is said that Michael is the one who is like God. Just allow yourself to perceive whatever energy you perceive when I say Michael. Archangel Michael is also seen with a sword. That can help you to cut away all the cords of attachment that are not contributing to you anymore. To release from your space all the energies that are not contributing to you anymore. Michael is also known for entity releasement. And as Archangel Michael is there in your space, you can ask Archangel Michael to release any and all the energies that are there in your space that are not contributing to you. You can imagine yourself into a big bubble of purple light, bright blue and purple light with sparkles of gold. And as you
and your body soak in this purple light. It helps you to release every energy that is not contributing, and it also helps you to get the wisdom, the integrity, the vigor, the courage you require in your life right now. Michael is known for protection, and as we invoke Archangel Michael in your space today, please know that you are protected. You are safe. You can repeat with me 3 times. I am protected. I am protected. I am protected. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. So beautiful to be in the space of Archangel Michael. Allow this energy to vibrate in your space. Allow your body to release everything it is ready to release now. And please know there is a message Michael has for you. Michael is asking me to say that to you, that please know that all these archangels are like your friends who want to do things for you. Don't put them on a higher pedestrian like God. Don't think that, oh, I cannot ask this thing from Michael because it is too small or too big. You can always ask anything. Don't think that if you're asking it from them, you are depriving others of anything. No. Just feel free to ask. Whatever it may be. If there is a problem with your laptop or your pen drive, don't worry that, oh, it is too small a thing to ask from Michael. It's not. Nothing is too big or small for them. Whatever it is that would make your life easier and happier, makes them happy to contribute to. And having said that, you got to take action. They contribute energetically, creating possibilities in your lives, yet you got to take actions as it is your life. Thank Archangel Michael for this wonderful experience and healing and protection. Take a long deep breath in, right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. And whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes. You can rub your palm, put them on your eyes, and slowly just open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energies releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.